Hello guys, my name is Steven Morode Karani and I'm currently studying at the Nyeri National Polytechnic and partaking in Diploma in Automotive Engineering, and I'm currently at my second year, and I'm going to show you how SkyTOP Construct has enabled me to showcase my skills and knowledge in dismantling of the engine Toyota Corolla E100, and follow for more and access. Welcome. Now, after creating your account, you're going to log in and enter your login information. Then, since I had already paid, you're just going to access it directly. Then you'll go down or click downwards and find the demo project. There is where you're gonna click and my project will appear there. And after that, you can access it directly, let it load for a while. Then after loading, at the top, that's my profile. There you're gonna click Steven Morede. That's my profile, everything about my profile, what I've achieved and what I've learned, and my experience and all that. It's like a simple CV. You'll be able to see it. Then back to the dashboard again where my project is. Let's say, for example, let's click on the project itself. Then it will pop out the project brief. When you click it, it will pop out the project PDF all about the project itself. Mostly that's the engine Toyota E100, Toyota Corolla E100. Then you're going to see the project components, project component tools, project assembly. Click on the project assembly and be able to see the engine itself and its tools that are used to dismantle it. Then at the project components, let's click the third, for example, the third camshaft rod and capes. Then the video will appear. Click on the component brief and a PDF will appear, will pop out about the camshaft itself, camshaft rod itself. Then on the camshaft, click on the camshaft. After loading, you'll be able to see the whole video of me disassembling the camshaft rod and capes, the whole process, the tools, everything about dismantling. Then at the camshaft components, are going to click at the camshaft pulley section. Then the camshaft sprockets animation will appear. Then again, go back to and click at the brief of the camshaft pulley, and you'll get to know everything, simple details about the camshaft pulley itself, the PDF, everything about it. Guys, now access my project by subscribing to the SkyTOP Construct under the demo project at the car engine, and be able to gain the skills and knowledge required for dismantling the Toyota Corolla E100. To my followers, my next project in the SkyTOP Construct is the Nissan Bluebird, and stay tuned. Welcome.